Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Lee Solaris X, and we're about to show you a fix on Sega Mega Drive and Genesis Classics. You've got an issue with the controller. If you got this issue, I'll show you right now. You got to play the game. Wait until it loads. Ooh, you're gonna be just fine on the night. You're gonna be just fine on the day. You're gonna be the one to play games all day long, all night long. You're gonna be just fine. So listen to this song. Mr. X is here. Have no fear. I'm gonna fix your issues, my dear. As you can see, the configuration is not working with the controller. I'm trying to play with the controller. This is exactly your issue on this game right here on Steam. I have heard a lot of people having this issue. I've been researching and I've been trying many things to fix this issue. So what we're going to do, we're going to show you the fix now, guys. What you want to do when you're on Steam, simply double click the Xbox guide button, takes you to the big screen mode. From there you want to go to this gear button right here. That will take you to the settings, and then you want to go to the control settings. From there you want to turn on all these notifications. So basically Xbox configuration support, PlayStation configuration support. These are the controllers. Turn off big picture exit. Actually that can be ticked off. Guide button focuses Steam. Basically a lot of these buttons were not ticked. So what you need to do, again I'll show you. If we exit big Steam big picture, just double click the guide button, which will take you in there. Go to settings, the gear button, controller settings, tick whichever one things will be suited for you to enable the controller to work on certain games. And as you can see, we got one unrecognized controller right by there. That's my secondary controller, and we want to click that. Preferences, submit. Still registered controller. Now that controller is being utilized and it's recognized. When we select the controller, we can calibrate the controller. Set for calibration. Push the left joystick to the side. You've got to keep on doing the calibration testing. So we got the right joystick now to calibrate that. Calibration complete. And then when you do that, you want to exit big picture mode. Once that's done, as you can see now, you can use the controller as part of your mouse. As you can see, you can type, you got typing thing there as well. You can type using the Xbox controller, or you can press P to remove the keyboard layout. From there, now you can go onto the classics, play Sega Mega Drive and Genesis Classics, and this should have fixed your controller issue. So now we're going in I'm going to test the game. As you can see now, everything's working. Go to matchmaking, invite a friend. As you can see, everything's working with the controller. Mods. So basically that's what it was. You can exit the game as well. So basically all it was your controller being unrecognized. So you can recognize the controller by going to big picture mode. You can select this, tick all these options. Controller shutdown timer. You can shut down the controller after so many timers, so long. But I always go for never, because then you can use the controller as you please. And if you don't want the controller to be playing around with the controller while you're on Steam and stuff, just untick all these, which now what happens, I'll show you now. I untick them, exit big picture mode, and now I'm going straight to Genesis. Let's play it. As you could see there, I've disabled the controller to work with the Genesis game, and that's the fix to fixing the Genesis with the Sega Mega Drive and Genesis Classics with the controller. I hope this has helped you, and I'll see you next time on the Solaris X Production Studios, the Solaris X tutorials. And I do hope you find this fix useful, and I hope this helps you to play the game with the controller. All the best, take care, adios.